All right. So there is a secret being hidden behind what are you seeing right now? The market, the wins, the indicators. There is a secret. And once you know about this secret, everything you thought you knew about binary option trading, you will understand that it was completely wrong. So this is my latest trades. Just to make this clear, this one was clear and the previous one was not, so I had to stop trading that day. The signal ended here. All right. So I've been spending like hours and hours in trying to understand what's happening with the market. So I will open with $400. Before I continue, I will open with $400, and the market is going down. It's clearly going down. If you already know my strategy, guys, yeah, you know that it's going down. So before I continue, those who are interested in learning my strategy, you can do it through the course in the description of this video. Otherwise, if you are a student, you can go to chapter 5, episode 3. Please remember chapter 5, episode 3. Please rewatch the episode because there's some updates taking place to our strategy, because this was due to the changes happening in the market lately. We had to update the strategy. So just go to chapter 5, episode 3. Yeah, I guess that this is a win. Yeah, it's a clear win. Guys, yeah, a win. Guys, I'm being more conscious about what I'm doing with binary options, and I want you to understand that there is things happening in the background, and I want you to understand that. So, yeah, looking at my latest trade, I guess that nothing just too obvious, but these type of markets are easy to be manipulated by the trading apps or trading platforms. I investigated what happened with my latest loss. I lost $350 last month. Yeah, it was almost similar to this one. Yeah, almost similar to this one. The market was straight down, and then all of a sudden, everything changed. Yeah. And I lost $350. So let's go up. Yeah, let's go up. Yeah, so the market is being manipulated by a lot of these trading apps. I'm not saying that IQ option is manipulating the market, but a lot of trading apps that allows binary options are manipulating the market. So using your own strategy, the strategy that detects a trend, for example, my strategy detects the next 12 candles. Like you will understand the colors the next 12 candles. But if somehow the market is being manipulated or delayed, this means that nothing is happening and you are just gambling, and the market is unpredictable because, yeah, it's not following the indicators, the data from big markets. It's being manipulated locally on the trading app. Yeah, the second win. So that's why you are going to lose, like 100%. You are going to lose. Whether you are using a strategy, you are using price actions, you are using chart patterns, a risk management plan, you are going to use because it's unpredictable. Yeah. We should go down. We should go down. I hate this type of market that goes up and down sideways. I hate it, but yeah, let's go down because this is a signal that is perfect. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm trading Euro USD. The Euro USD currency pair is the most traded in the forex markets. Like there's pound USD, there's yen USD, but the Euro USD is the most traded one, and its price movements are influenced by various macroeconomic, geopolitical, and the market factors. These factors affect the market, not the platform manually changing the markets or manipulating it in somehow. And that's what we follow, right? We follow the international factors, and from that we understand which direction the market is taking and which. And my strategy is basically based on like the four indicators that I'm using here: MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, and Parabolic SAR, my own chart patterns, my own price action patterns, and my own risk management plan. All right. So if the market is being manipulated, this means that all these indicators, all this stuff are useless, right? So yeah, this is the latest trade. I guess we should go down, but let's just wait for it. I want to see something. Yeah, so if you are my student, guys, let's just keep it there. Let's $400. Even though I'm not 100% sure about this one, but yeah, let's keep it $400 and let's go down. So, as I was saying, the markets like Euro USD are influenced by factors like interest rates and the monetary policies. Like, for example, let's say the central bank, the European Central Bank, the ECB, is the one, and along with the Federal Reserve, the Fed, play a significant role in shaping the Euro USD exchange rate. Anything they do, it will directly affect the Euro USD markets. So, for example, when the Federal Reserve raises interest rates, the USD strengthens, the dollar strengthens as higher rates attract investors looking for better returns on dollar-dominated assets like this one, the Euro USD, leading to a downtrend in Euro USD. This means that the Euro USD value is going above the value of for example, or sorry, the dollar value is going up and the euro value is going down. That's why the Euro USD currency pair is going downtrend. And the opposite, I guess we still have. Yes. So now the market is being a little bit clear. Now it's going up. Now a clear uptrend will take place, and we see some clear markets from this point on. But I guess, yeah. So as I was saying, for example, if the ECB, the European Central Bank, raises rates, the euro strengthens, will get stronger. The euro will get stronger, leading to an uptrend in the Euro USD market. For example, here, the market will go up because the euro is getting stronger, and also like the quantitative easing, QE. Central banks use QE to inject liquidity into the economy by buying financial assets. They buy, like, I'm talking about billions of dollars of financial assets. And when the Fed or the ECB engages in the QE, in the quantitative easing, it weakens their respective currency, either the Fed for dollars or the ECB for euros, because this is leading to fluctuation in Euro USD. So yeah, when you see an uptrend, understand that the ECB, for example, it will tightens monetary policy. For example, raises rates, while the Fed keeps rates low. This way, the Euro USD will go up. So let me. This is Yeah. So as I was saying, now we start to see an uptrend. Yeah, another up position, another high position, or another call, because yeah, the market will go up. I guess it's another win. So as I was saying, also downtrend. So for example, when you see a downtrend, like if the Fed tightens monetary policy, like they raises rates, and while the ECB keeps rates low, the Euro USD tends to fall, making a downtrend. This means that the dollar is getting stronger. Also, sometimes we see peaks like large shifts in the interest rates, expectations. Yeah, this one wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't expected to take place. I was expecting a zero here, not a win. But yeah, here it was completely. This means that the market will flip and go down. So let's open a put position as always with $400. I guess we still have one or two positions to open. So I was talking about the peaks, yeah. Also the dips, like a surprise interest rate cuts or unexpected monetary stimulation can like lead to a significant dip or multiple dips. Also, what affects the market, the USD, for example, the USD markets is like the economic data, the GDP growth, like strong economic growth in the Eurozone or in the US, in the other part, the US, impacts like the demand for their respective currency. I guess we should go down. I guess this is the last trade. I hope that you learned something. If you are interested in learning the strategy that I'm using, take the course from the description of this video or go directly to binarystrategycourse.com and yeah, take the whole course, master the strategy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you that you make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So please be careful and yeah, invest time in learning and education. Trade on demo account before we get experienced enough to trade with real money. Yeah, this is the last trade. Um, it was perfect, like 12 or 10 trades, easy.